So I'm building this panel right here. This goes right there to finish up the firewall. But I took this adapter that was on the bead roller. This actually came with the bead roller. It's for some other setups. But I on my lathe a long time ago, I made this piece of Delrin plastic, and it's got a big washer and a small washer that holds it on so it's nice and tight. And then I took a big washer and I put it on the lathe and then just spun it, come on, focus, and then spun it on both sides so it kind of comes to a point, but then I softened it with sandpaper, and that's the tipping wheel that I made, and it's set up so I can screw this together and then put it right here. It's not going to take much to tip this. I just wanted to tip it up so it'll fit that piece on the side of the firewall, and then you want to pull up right here a little bit, and what that does is that'll tip it so that this side will tip up about a 15 degree or so each time you run it through the bead roller. And I have it a little tight right now, but I'm just kind of overdoing it. You don't need to run it that tight the first time. Damn it. Bead roller's moving around on me. And then that tips that edge really nice so that it'll fit up in there. So you can see that it puts it about a 15 degree or something, I'm guessing. Works really well. So the piece that I'm building right now is from like this, you know, it's gonna go here. And it's not done yet. I got a lot of trimming and whatever to do, but you can kind of see how it's gonna go in there. And then once it's welded in, that'll look nice. Glasses. So now I'm gonna weld down here, but I need to hammer as I'm doing that, so I'll kind of hammer weld it the whole way up so the seam is super strong. And I'll do the same thing right here, and then I'll seam seal here and here so no water can get inside the truck. And then I'll start forming these pieces here that go across. You see the hole underneath the firewall there. That's gonna tie the Crown Vic cop car chassis firewall into the firewall of this truck. So it's turned out pretty cool. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys think, if you have any cool ideas or whatever. And then this here is part of the floor, so this will be capped, but I'll do that from the inside. And then same thing, I'll seam seal it, clean up everything, and then get inside the cab. I finished this one today, but I have a couple little spots to weld on there before I can seam seal it, but it looks a lot better. And then I'm also doing the pieces here and here, so that'll make it double wall, so it's really, really strong, because these unibodies tend to flex and you don't want the firewall to be moving around like that. So that's the next step. But anyways, I'm gonna cut this video short. Appreciate you guys watching. Later.